In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automatic messages on Slack. Whether you want to remind your team about a meeting, announce important updates, or simply plan ahead, scheduling messages can be a real time saver. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this seamlessly. To get started, first things first, you need to have access to your Slack workspace. So, open it up and locate the channel you want to send your message to. This could be a team channel or a direct message conversation. If you're working in a company workspace, just make sure you have the proper permissions to send messages in the channel. Once you're in the right place, you're ready to compose your message. Simply click on the message input field at the bottom, just as you would for any other chat. Start typing your message. Keep in mind what needs to be conveyed and aim to keep it clear and concise. If it's an update, for instance, try to include all relevant information and any required actions from your team. Now, once you've crafted the perfect message, here's where it gets interesting. Take a look at the bottom right of the message input area. You'll notice a small arrow pointing downward. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering the option to schedule your message for later. This is where you can select when you'd like your message to be sent. The drop-down will show you various timing options, whether it's sending later today or at a predefined time on another day. When it comes to scheduling, you'll see a calendar or time selection interface. Here, you can choose between Slack's suggested timings, like tomorrow morning, or customize it to suit your needs. Pick a date and time that align with when your team is most active or when the message is most relevant. After you've set the schedule, go ahead and click on Schedule Message. This action confirms your selection and stores your message in the scheduled messages queue. It's really that simple. You can leverage this feature to ensure your messages are sent during optimal times, even if you're not at your desk. Finally, if you want to review or modify any scheduled messages, just click on See All Scheduled Messages. This option lets you see a complete list of what you've queued up. It's a great way to double check your work, make last-minute changes, or even cancel a message if something changes. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly schedule messages in Slack, allowing for better communication planning and efficiency. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Subscribe for more tips and tricks in the digital workspace world. See you next time.